So guess what now? So I bought this car mount, this phone holder. You know, that car mount phone holder today because I have a video to do, and I was planning on doing it in the vehicle. So to start the video, I am gonna set up this mount so I can use it to answer some of you guys' questions. So you have, this is a phone holder thingy. So now I'm gonna have to read to figure out how to set up this thing. And there are no instructions. I guess I'm gonna have to read the box. Okay. Push up button. Anyway, I don't see much instruction on it. What the hell? How to operate this thing? I feel like a newbie. Uh-oh. And they haven't even told me how to operate this thing. What the hell? Rotate. Alright. So here's so supposed to rotate. Something wrong. Oh, figure it out. So I pin here, I pinch here and rotate here. So okay. Alright, let me take off these strips. Some strip thing on it. So let me take off these yellow strips. So how was y'all day? I hope you had a lovely day. My day was okay. I'm grateful. You know what I'm saying? See if I can hurry up and put this thing together. Woo! Oh boy. The adhesive on this piece of strip is so tightly adhering. Alright, so this should be up. This should be up, I believe. It should be like so. Like so. Yeah. This should be like so, I guess. And then stick it in like so. So what the hell? This feels so weird. This doesn't feel, I don't think this feels as tight as it should. Anyway, let me try to screw it on back. Alright. Whatever. This feels very flimsy. What's the name of it? What's this? Burn Sonic. Anyway. Alright, so how does this thing work now? This part. Oh boy, I'm telling you. Alright. This part can come up like so. And it can go down like so. The suction cup part now, I think, is the part that, to get off, I want to put it on somewhere. Probably up here. This not feel right at all. Says like when Lord jeez. If I suck it on, let Let me put the phone inside first. I feel like I don't know why I feel like I'm waste my money buying this up here. I don't know why I feel like I wasted my money. Anyway, I don't even know if I. Oh, wait, hold on. Same thing. I think this must be up there, like so. Alright, then I put this down here and hold it in like so, I guess, right? Alright, so let me put this on some camera view and see where exactly in the car to put it. Probably right here. Alright. Alright. And it sticks. So I don't like this. I don't like this. I do not like this. Oh, so this can rotate. Alright, got it. Okay. Okay, so we're good. Alright. Yay. And it's done. So it's time to do the video.